Well, I've been watching a video and going over the tender trucks while I'm upstairs, and I started to think about the wiring requirements for those tender trucks and the wire forming. So I've, in my mind, saw a tool that I could use to create that wiring as a standalone kind of an aid. But I also came up with the requirement for a right and left side and why and what you would use those for. So I just carry that down to create the image of a front right and a rear left as the same design, with the location of the wire pickup and the pivot point in the same. So you would assemble those in the same orientation, but then on the left front and the right rear, you would have to assemble them in the opposite orientation. So the wire input would be here and the pivot would be here. And on the other one, you'd have the wire input here and the pivot here. So you're creating a sort of a right and left, but it depends on where you assemble it. So in the front, it would be on the right, and in the rear, it would be on the left, because you want the output wire to be going right into the chassis. At any rate, I'll refine all this and build a couple on the new engines that I'm putting together, and then you can see how this relates to the assembly process. The question was, can it be a do-it-yourself assembly? I don't know. We'll see.